Hello, welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to segment the mouse and parts of the mouse bed in a CT dataset using the Imalytics Preclinical software. So in this dataset, which you will find here also under help and tutorials, you can see a mouse here lying on a round mouse bed. Let's activate the 3D view, and there's many other parts here. You can see wires from a heating mattress to keep the mouse warm. This is a pillow for lung gating information, and here you can see the bed where the mouse is lying inside. And at the top here you can see the cone, or the part where the anesthesia is supplied. And for some applications like organ segmentation or fat quantification, we would like to segment the whole body of the mouse only and get rid of the bed parts. So let's start with segmenting the wires. So we can start with a thresholding operation. Let's create a temp class and thresholding above 250, for example, and we now get all the bright parts, and the wires are bright. So let's add a class wires, and then click at the wires and say fill region, and we get part of the wires and the pillow as well because it is connected somewhere, but that's fine. And let's get the rest of the wires, fill region. See, now we have all the wires. And let's dilate it by 1 to just make it a bit more fat. And now we can swap the temp class back to unclassified, so we have the wires and the pillow segmented. So let's now go on and look at the mouse body, and let's change the windowing. And so now as a next step, let's segment the round mouse bed where the mouse lies inside. We can again use the temp class and use a thresholding above -400, for example. So now we have everything, all the stuff that has a certain density, and you have to see some small parts here. You can get rid of those using find small components with a volume of 1, for example, and now they are gone. So to segment the round mouse part, let's turn it around and let's use the spray, the acid spray. Let's add a class, let's call it A, and you need to measure the thickness of this bed here, something like 0.7 millimeters. Now in the 3D view you click acid spray, enter the depth or the thickness, and now we got a part of the round bed. So what happens is, in this camera view, it kind of sprays at the class here, the temp class, and then it grows into the temp class by the thickness we provide. And we can do this also for the rest of the bed here. Again, 3D acid spray, and now we have pretty much all of the round bed. We also got some parts of the ears, and now we can use fill region to get rid of the round bed here. And we can assign the ears back to the temp class. So we got rid of the round mouse bed. Let's do the same for this heating mat here. Do an acid spray again, but let's use 0.5 because it's not as thick. And we spray it at the whole scene here, but if you rotate it around, you can see there is a kind of shadow from the spray, and that's nice because the regions are not connected, and we can use this fill region again a few times to get rid of this bed part here. It's actually 3 regions, so we get rid of that, and now we assign the blue stuff again to the temp class. Now again we have some small stuff left over, so let's use find small components again with a little larger volume, 11, to get rid of the small components. Now what's left here is this tube here, that's for the anesthesia, and the part of the bed here. So the tube is unfortunately connected here to the mouse at some points, but to clean that up we can use the scribbles, surround it here, go further until it's free again, surround it here, and press F2, and in the 3D view here you can see that it's gone now. So let's go further up here to continue like this. Get rid of more parts of the tube. We have to do this wherever it's connected to the mouse. So here it's getting close again. And eventually it will hit the bed, so let's just cut it here, and now we can use the region to get rid of these isolated parts. Okay, now what about the this part up here? So that is connected to the paws here, so let's use a sagittal view. Here we are, and let's just draw lines like this. On the other side as well, press F2 to clean it up. Let's jump to the other paw, this direction, the other direction, press F2. So we made some cuts here. And let's have a look here at the nose. There it's also connected, and we can use the same trick here. To do this cut here, and now it's separated, or it should be, and we can use the fill region to get rid of that as well. So now we have the mouse segmented. So let's create a class mouse and do a fill region to find or to get the biggest component of the mouse. And let's have a look inside the mouse. So there are some holes here where the lung is, for example, and to fill those we can use a find enclosed by. And we set the output class to mouse, click into the holes, say find enclosed by. Now it's asking what is the enclosing class, that is mouse. Say OK, this is OK, and now it's closed. So now we have the complete mouse segmented, and can use this for fat quantification or organ segmentation, which is part of another tutorial. Okay, thank you, bye.